Hi guys, today we'll be playing Murder Mystery 2. I am Sheriff. Who's that? Is that my sister? No, it's not. So, we have just started with a good start. Sheriff. Oh, he's a murderer. We missed our chance. I thought he was a murderer. Next time I'll kill him. Yeah, I'll kill him if I see him or think he is. Who just did this? 5 candy. Let's see if this guy wants to trade this. No? I don't think this guy wants this, guys. So guys, I'll be showing you some of the best hiding spots I know. And I'll be going to those spots if I'm a murderer. And I will still show you if I'm sheriff because I would have more protection to show you. I'll spectate or has the round finish. No, it hasn't. Yo, 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 393. Go, go, go. Yo, 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 3,903. If you see my last video, I was playing with my sister and that. I'm having a good time now. I think you are too. If you're having a good time, give us a like. Give us a big thumbs up for this video if you think these hiding spots are good. And subscribe. That I'll show you next round. Let's see, someone's in one. Or spectate murderer. So guys, if you didn't get a good catch, who was murderer? This guy was murderer. And I was sheriff. This guy just passed a girl. Are they sisters or something? I thought 3 survivors. 3 innocents left. Since I was sheriff and I died, none of them is sheriff. Okay, now she sees him. He's one that killed her. Now that's round over. Let's go to the vote, guys. Comment down below what should we vote for? We might go for the middle. Mansion 2, guys. Look at this, guys, I'm ready. A Flames, 2 Seers, Battle Axe, Frost, Hollow's Blade, Ice Dragon, Ice Shard, Luger, and X, a Nightblade, a Pumpkin, a Snowflake, a Winter's Edge, a X-Miss, 16 Ginges, 11 Green Fighters, 7 Scratch, 2 Blue Elites, 1 Cotton Candy, a Red Elite knife, an Emerald, an Overseer gun, a Predator, a Predator knife, a Predator gun, a Red Fire, a Scratch Fire, a Sparkle, a Scratch, a Sparkle. I'm not gonna say the rest are just these. Oh, when I was doing that, there's been a kill. Let's investigate. She might be murderer. Probably him. Alright. If you're a murderer, 1 round you can be more than in a line. go up here. Here, I don't think it'll be coming up. Is it definitely? Oh no, it's her. And I just died. That sucks. So, you guys, we're gonna give away some gift packs. And after this, when this loads, I'll be doing a review of what I got for Christmas. Be cool, huh? So, it's gonna be quite good. And we've all had a good time. Let's go this hospital. Let's go. So, I hope you guys have had a nice Christmas. And if you haven't, I'm hoping you have a good holiday for the rest of the holidays. So I'm going to go because I am innocent if you didn't catch it. But you might be murderer. So this is our only game we play on our videos except for Hide and Seek Extreme. Because I have only we only got this camera yesterday. So I'm gonna have to wrap this up. In 7 minutes, you have a lot of time. My sister's watching YouTube. She's gonna bother to be in this video of mine. Yeah, she's a bit jealous that it's my video. I'm gonna trade someone. Hey, bro. So I'm gonna trade with this guy. I'm still female. Oh yeah, here's a hiding spot. You can go behind here. You can go and kill this guy. You go down here, then you see this ladder behind the chest. You go down here. It's all great. And you go inside the TV. That's a hiding spot. And, yeah, and you can go behind. And this girl's here. Hi. Oh, you're Marwa. Wait, I can see my death. Wait, you're playing? No, but that looks like my death. But it's someone else. But look. No one knows I'm Marwa. I'm super stealthy. Mommy? Yeah. You know the red slime? Do not touch it. I just had a big accident. What? Not like with the slime, not like big, but it's really sticky. Like it's all over my hands. So guys, I don't know who's left. It might be like a super good guy, and I'm just. It's just me, guys. I'm not mad. Oh, dang it. Last person was Sheriff that killed me. Or maybe I killed Sheriff and he might have been here. Yeah, he was Sheriff. no, mystery people. So those are some hiding spots for those maps. I got quite good stuff for level 17. Maybe I'll go Christmas shop. Sheriff, guys. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you are getting some hiding spots in this game now. If you have to sit down a moment, because the door's there, you do this. You sit behind, or you won't get out. You just stand behind there. I'm bad at it. So, I think, oh, is this map? I forgot. So go this way, will take you to the toilet. But if you go this way, wrong way. And if you go the other way, it's this spot where you could just stand here and then exit. So guys, comment, pause this video and comment down below. Should I shoot this very guilty girl? I am gonna do it. I'll probably die. I'll miss. Hi guys, we're gonna be finishing this round and I'm gonna have to leave you guys. So I'm gonna be having, this will be my survival round. And I'm that freaked me out. Oh, you guys subscribe. Subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and goodbye.